Food. We're about to make some brown stew chicken right now, so stay tuned.
Oh God, babe. Now sneeze. Your food are nice.
So if you ain't clocking that tea and sipping that tea while you cooking, you ain't doing it right. Put in the brown sugar in the pot right now, so.
Put more. Alright.
So, baby.
Take a bit.
Where's this from?
It's time to figure out which Caribbean country has the best KFC. Just had a great leg day at the gym. Don't tell my coach. Now, why would KFC even taste differently across the Caribbean countries? Countries in question are Guyana, Trinidad, Jamaica, in my opinion. If you're living in North America or another part of the world, there's a different feed here for the chicken. They could be free-range chicken, almost like a different type of poultry. Flour, the oil, the water, the breading. Chances are it hasn't been imported. These are local ingredients. We also have some culture infused to the sides, right? So these are all different reasons why KFC might be different. Let's try a spicy wing. Crispy and nice. This is how you eat a wing, okay? It really grinds my gears when someone just tears it down and it's just all so sloppy and messy. Like, please, tear it one way, tear it the other way. Have some finesse. Been doing this since I was a kid. Thigh. This is a big looking thigh. Nice craggly exterior on the breading.
Watch it. Try it. Yo, what is more? This is barbecue.
So today I have a beef patty, right, which I've put some ackee and saltfish that I had in the fridge for a few days. So this is an experiment, so I'm letting y'all know, if you don't hear from me again, the experiment didn't work, right? So let's see.
Video you. Hold on. What you said earlier, you said there's no good food in Jamaica, right?
There was no good
because
food
the
in
resort food was
That
crap.
resort is trash.
And,
That food is
and what I told you,
Come
yeah,
see the man on the street.
You know the vibe.
Right.
Right, you know the vibe.